is Jacqueline, and in today's video I will be unboxing my Boxy Luxe for the month of June. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. I would love to have you there. And now, if you want to know what I got on my Boxy Luxe for June 2019, just keep on watching. Okay, my friends, so my mail arrived and yay, I got my Boxy Luxe for the month of June. And I'm super excited to open it up here with you. Now, if you don't know what is Boxycharm, it's basically a subscription box. Every month you pay $21 to get subscribed to the regular Boxycharm box, which is smaller than this box right here. And on the months of March, June, September, and December, you have the option to upgrade to the Boxy Luxe, which is this box right here, and it costs $28.99 more. So you basically pay $49.99 in total to receive this Boxy Luxe box. Now, if you get your monthly subscription box, the ones that they are smaller for $21, those usually comes with 4 to 5 full-size products, while the Boxy Luxe box, it comes with a lot more products that they are full-size for a value of at least $200. But again, you're just paying $49.99 in total for that specific month. And as of now, if you go to the Boxycharm website, they still have available the Boxy Luxe boxes for the month of June. So if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm and become a charmer, or if you want to do the monthly one, that's good too. But if you want to get this special Boxy Luxe box, you still have the time as the time that I'm filming. And on the description box below, I will be leaving a little referral code if you're interested on this box or overall in Boxycharm. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so I have opened it up and this is how it comes, all the products inside. And you always get this little kind of pamphlet with information of the products that you are receiving, and it says here Boxycharm Getaway. So again, Boxycharm always have a theme every time that they send one of their boxes, whether they are the regular Boxycharm boxes or whether they are the Boxy Luxe. So the theme for this June Boxy Luxe is Getaway. I'm really excited to see what I'm getting, and in here you will see all the different products that you are receiving with a little bit of description. And the first product that I got is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Spray. So this is the one right here, and I have used this one before. It's basically a styling kind of finishing product that it will texturize your hair. So if you want to, zhuzh it up a little bit more, want to volumize it a little, this is a really good product. I really enjoy Living Proof a lot. I have tried it before. Right now, what I'm doing with my hair is I'm just using one single brand. So I'm not mixing up with other brands, but this one is a styling product. So I'm okay at using these Volume Blast because I always need volume. This right here never wants to stand up. So I always need a little bit of product. And now I'm going to be calculating how much is the real value of my box. Now this product retail value is $29. Okay, so here we go. That's a good price. And Living Proof, it's also at Sephora and Ulta. So we know that this is a really, really good product. Oh, wow. All right. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect this. This is so nice. It is a blow dryer. Look at that. This is so cute. This blow dryer is actually so cute, so tiny, perfect for traveling. And let's see, inside here, ooh, this is so nice. Look at this. It comes with a nozzle that is for pretty much kind of like a straightening, and then it comes with this other nozzle right here that is actually to give volume. So this is so nice. I like it. Wow, I didn't expect something like this. So this is actually very handy and perfect for traveling. So far we got 2 hair products. So now this PYT is a mini turbo on the go dryer, and the retail value is $85. Okay, so I already paid my box. This is great. This is absolutely awesome. I'm excited. Oh, and also it has a change for the voltage. So it has the 230 voltage and 120 voltage. So this is really good. Like I am Peruvian, so when I go to Peru, I usually need to get something to, you know, convert the voltage, or when I go to Europe, this is perfect because this is just one thing I'm done, and it has actually 2 settings. Okay, next product. Oh wow, this is a big tube. What is it? It is Trequist, something like that. Oh, okay, Good Vibe mascara. It's a mascara. Wow, it's a big mascara. Let me see if I can open it up. It has a seal right here. So this is a curling, lengthening, and volumizing mascara. The value of this mascara is $25. Okay, and flip down to curl. Oh, okay. Sorry, it just took me by surprise. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is an eyelash curler right here. There you go. That's that. Okay, but that's pretty small actually for an eyelash curler. I mean, it's a good size, but you will have to kind of like do it in 2 sections kind of thing, because it's not very wide, it's very little. But I mean, for the theme of this Boxycharm, the getaway, I think it goes perfect because this is kind of like a travel theme, so you don't have to pack an eyelash curler and you can just use the mascara. And then as far as the wand goes, so this is a black one. Okay, so it's a long wand. So it has a really nice consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too liquidy. I don't like too liquidy mascaras because they transfer easily. And I never tried this brand. And again, the value of this mascara is $25. So the next item that I got is the Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser by Dr. Brand. Is this tube right here. It came a little bit, it doesn't seem that it's dirty. I think it's just rubbing against the black box inside, and that's why it got all the marks right here. I never tried this cleanser before, but I know that Dr. Brand is a really good brand. They carry it at Sephora too. So I'm excited to give it a try actually. And the value of this cleanser is $35. Okay, so we got some hair care, we have some skincare, we have a makeup product, and let's see what is next. Okay, next I got, okay, this is Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Peach Tea, that's the shade lip gloss. And I actually have all the lip glosses and lipsticks from Dominique Cosmetics. I love Dominique Cosmetics. I'm not like a fan of her, but I have loved everything that she has come out with. In fact, I just did a couple days ago a review of her RUSTIC GLAM eyeshadow palette, and I'm using it today on my eye look. I'm really enjoying it. She's just doing a wonderful job. You know, no wonder why she's right now at Sephora, all her products. So I'm very excited for her. Now I have already these right here, so I will just keep it inside the box. So this gloss was part of her Lemonade collection of last year. It was summer of last year, so I know I got it 100% on that. And this gloss cost $17. So here's another makeup item on the go. Let me just take it out for you really quick so you can take a look of how it looks outside. It's such a pretty color. It's this pink color, and I love the packaging. It looks very sleek and looks. It doesn't look like, you know, chunky or anything like that. It's really pretty, and it actually smells a little bit of like a cupcake vanilla flavor that is just so good. Next item that I got is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum, and I actually own one of these. If you're familiar with like the Framboise serum by Drunk Elephant that has glycolic acid, this is along the same lines. This is just a little bit stronger, but this is actually a cruelty-free product, and it's phthalate-free, paraben-free. I mean, it's just such a good clean brand. You can find it also at Sephora, and I know this costs over $50, so let me check right here just to make sure on the price. So yeah, actually this serum costs $58, and I actually use it, and I'm very happy that I get a backup of these because this is such a good exfoliator. So if you are familiar with chemical exfoliator, this is a chemical exfoliator. It basically will just remove the dead cells from your skin and just make way for your new skin to come out and those cells to look like your skin more plump and beautiful and whatnot. So this is a really good product. I'm really excited that I got it. So super happy about it. And you see, like, with just this product alone, because I'm using it right now and I will have bought it from Sephora, I already paid for my box and I'm getting a product that I really like among other products that I'm excited to use. So now next product is this Skin & Co Roma. It says Travel Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Okay, and it's Radiant Dewy Skin Mist. Okay, I like that. I love everything that has to be with radiant, dewy, glowy, glassy skin. If you have been watching my channel for a certain point in time, you know that that's my jam. Everything that is glowy, everything that is radiant, everything that looks natural and just like, ooh, so pretty. So I'm excited that we got this product right here. Now this product is actually cruelty free. It says we are organic farming. Let's see, it doesn't have any sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, so that's great. Oh, and actually this product is made in Italy, so I really enjoy that. I don't know if you know, but my husband is Italian and I love everything that is Italian. So just like he loves everything that is Peruvian, I'm in love with everything that has to do with Italy. So anyhow, I'm really excited to try this product. Let me see if I can open it up right here and smell it. Now truffle has double meaning for me. Truffle for me is kind of like, you know, either the chocolate, but every time that we say the word truffle, I think about the truffle mushrooms. So there you go. Well, actually it doesn't smell like truffle. It smells kind of like minty, like yeah, like peppermint, something like that. Very like minty and refreshing. So I will have to read a little bit more on the ingredients. It says here that it's botanicals, that's good, and the first ingredient is water. And the value of this mist is $35. Next item on my box is this No Pore Blem Prime Essence with Calendula Officina. What? I cannot pronounce it. Okay, with calendula flower extract basically, and it's by the brand Touch in Soul. So it is a primer and an essence. Now I love to wear essence. I love my Tatcha essence. I love my Amore Pacific essence. I have been trying the Ski 2 essence. I cannot give you feedback just yet because I had an allergic reaction to something on my skincare. So I kind of like took it out of my skincare, took out everything and just kind of like restarted slowly and see what it was causing me the bumpiness. But anyhow, I don't want to go in a tangent. But I love essence. If you haven't tried essence, it's really good to actually soften it up your skin and actually as a conduct for your skincare to just, you know, absorb into your skin better and faster. So this is kind of like different because if this is a prime essence, I mean, or maybe it's not a primer, it's just actually an essence. So let me read right here. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Pore Blem Prime Essence infused with calendula flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Okay, and the value of this product is $23. And I know that Touch in Soul is a Korean brand, so it's within that K-beauty. So let me just open it up right here. So I like the idea that this one will tighten up my pores. I have enlarged pores right here. They are not too big, but it's something that is obvious under my eyes and next to my mirror. So magnifying mirrors, they are not my friends. But anyhow, I'm just excited to try this product. And calendula flower extract, calendula is a really good botanical product. It actually is very soothing and I'm actually excited to try it. In fact, Touch in Soul is also carried at Sephora, so I will go and check it out at Sephora and see if it has a little bit more information about this particular product, because a few months ago on I think it was on the regular Boxycharm, we received one No Problem primer by Touch and Soul, but it came in a little bottle. It wasn't an essence. So I'm excited to know more about this product. And now let's see, my last product in the box is this Tarte's Pro Glow 3 cheek palette. It's a cheek palette. Okay, I think this is the first time that we got a cheek palette. Well, we have got Alamar Cosmetics, the blush, but usually we get like eyeshadows. So let me see how it looks inside, because I know Tarte, they have like 3 different palettes like this of the Pro Glow. Okay, and this is the packaging that it comes, and it says Tarte's Pro Glow Tarte. And then when I open it up, okay, it has a little, have the protector, so you get your 2 mirrors on the side, and then 6 different shades. You get on the top 2 blushes, 2 highlighters in the middle, and then 2 bronzers. This looks very pretty. Now these blushes that right here, they are very alike to each other. They're kind of like a pink tone. I mean, this is lighter pink and this is a little bit more subdued. And then this highlighter right here has a gold undertone, and this highlighter here has more of like a peach undertone. And then you have your matte bronzer right here that it looks, I mean, in the pan it doesn't look too warm. It kind of looks between the neutral leaning to the warm side, and then this bronzer right here is actually a glow bronzer that I'm all about. I love glow bronzers. I love them so much. So I'm excited we got this palette right here. Now I wish, to be honest with you, I mean, this is just something for Tarte, but if they could have done this one like a peachy color, that would have been like on point right there. But other than that, I mean, it is a very pretty palette, and they are all powder products. There's no cream products right here, because I remember Tarte had a palette that had 1 cream product, I think, or 2 cream products, and it was kind of messy because you were getting your powder products on top of the cream product, and it wasn't like the Natasha Denona one that it had like a flip side that you could protect your cream products. So this one is kind of like a better version of it. And now the retail value for this palette is $45. So let me tell you how much is the total value of my box. It is $352. $352, and I paid for this box $49.99. That's a great value. I mean, I'm talking about $300 worth on products. That's crazy. That's insane. And I'm really happy with everything that I received, because I find that I'm gonna be using everything on these, except for this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss, not because I don't want it or I don't like it, but because I already have it. I have, in fact, the entire Lemonade collection, so I most likely will be giving it to my daughter. But all the rest are items that I have not tried. Now that PYT blow dryer, that's great for traveling. And it actually, I was reading right here, it says that it's not only powerful, portable, lightweight, but it will decrease the drying time, and it will reduce freeze and locking moisture. PYT is a really good brand, and I like their technology, and whatever they say that it will reduce freeze, oh yes, please, yeah, because I have frizzy hair and it's not funny. Okay, my friends, so this is the wrap up of this video. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. If you did so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below if you are a charmer already, or if you're planning to subscribe to these boxes, or if you're wanting to get the Boxy Luxe. Don't forget, again, you can use my referral code if you want to get the Boxy Luxe, or just go directly to Boxycharm website. And before you leave, do not forget to click on that red button and subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell. I would love to see you here more often. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.